and we know that you have made the history. So how did you make that?
I would say that it was the community that really owned the election. We had some incredible people in my campaign. You remember when we met in May, the campaign was filled with really energized, incredible, skilled people who really cared for the community. I had a lot of support from community leaders, whether it was the Bangladeshi community, but also people from all over the world, who make up what Scarborough is. People from Brampton, Mississauga, came to help our campaign. So it was really all those individuals who believed in us, who believed that there was we could do something different, we could make change, and they really owned the election, and that's what made us successful.
So did you have any specific strategy which was different than from others? Like,
I think the strategy was don't go after winning, go after creating a movement that makes a difference.
That's great. That's great.